In fact, Nyamira is a agricultural county, not only Nyamira, even Kisii County. Lakini it's very unfortunate kwanyora abantu mbali bakorara njara. Not that esali totally tutabwati omugondo. Emigondo yakere ntumaitebo. Lakini entongera ko tokuruka smart agriculture. Igi entongende kunya gosomya abantu baito mind shift. That nonchora mambimbo mu MCA. Nonchora mbo muchumbe. That singuja kuragera family egichinde. Egichie mpaka singuja kukuragera. Lakini tuiza kwara ko abantu aba knowledge that is why ngende gusira obulemi because ntubwato mugondo. If we just do smart agriculture kero muntu aise korosa no na gaticha bo yalia abakonyora mambi osomera abana. Igo bono that is why tunye gusigita abantu baito obulemi tali borasa abantu batasomete school. Abantu abange babere successful n'abantu bagende gukora obulemi. That is why now bring people on board, some donors, some people who are posting ili tangani tuganza karosia manche unabono mtu arosia manche chinsoko cheto cha kamire sale abantu basimegete metemba karocha. You cannot talk about agriculture, not talk about water. Water is an enabler of agriculture. Igo no na kitonye gusigete in a small way. Aba MCA baito na wamboli embarrassing atira boro abange bapiri wetu na handouts bapiri wetu na ngekura ingokonyora njera ngosere ko 50 shillings 100 jetanyoro etanyare gokonyo munyamira use undebwensi una boro untu gende to kubasigita because in the county assembly that is where policies babanya koros wenda koros the policies chingia sana even riparian lands chi wetland chia salikire tunya ko chile store back erinda kagondo katubwata nona akena manje ga gotoka bokonyora umuntu oyo obere empowered mambi osomirio umwana mambi umwana oyo mokonya county yetu ya Nyamira nebwate their success nkege chibakora sagira lakini gaps njiro nyingi sana mbara in encourage smart agricultures patu anto agatwala extension officers aba agriculture badu agatarira abantu igoro yo abuna no amagana yechiombe barworo ba inform the community kind of hybrid bawende gotuga amagana yecha noroche naruna bonus bantu bari the bonus na kitayo tokogera buna na kitoko yatwa in college abantu na matunda yatoko ba passion fruits itunda lile ndiro witacha isa kulisimike cha una aba ikoyo ba koraboro bokonyora ba gusimika matunde cha igoro bagenda gotorecha na ndi bagakore ekerecha ita cafe jetubija kwanyora matunda na haro bakorekwe iyi county yetu ya Nyamira nebwenete ko allocate more money especially the budget. By encourage young people abana bono bakora school bakore bari graduates balinga nabange sana batabwatigas lakini baiza ko ba introduce tutamagana ya agriculture ne county yetero sento ko kwa cottage industries asiba ko ira bakora even value addition yebinte iwo as chingoko botugiwe chingoko botugiwe chiombe amagana yo crops tokole even smart agriculture even in our schools like ECDs is a devolved function ngwendo do school kwanyora mundo ro monene but there is nothing koma kwanyora nonya na bani wise ECD maybe mbanya wakan mushara esali county go there wajibesa but we have opportunities as agriculture charo generate income to the county government of Nyamira erinde nyaro support even ECD education enya even youth employment yaba bakonya kole bakole value addition bagole machine so that abantu baitu banyole this is a source of income and is a source of employment